In this video, I explain change of states. So what is the meaning of change of states? Okay. The various state of substance are solid, liquid, vapor or a gas. Okay. So we know that every substance have a three possibility. Okay. Either they are in solid state, either in a liquid state, or either in a vapor or a gas state. Okay. So when heat is supplied to a substance at the solid phase, its temperature is rise until it start to converting into the liquids. Okay, means when we supply the heat energy to the ice, okay, ice is start to melt and finally they are converted into the water. Okay, so it is called as the liquid state. So same way opposite thing is possible. When we remove the heat from the water, they are start to convert into the ice. Okay, so on the gas stove we put the water on the one bowls, okay, and we supply this heat energy. Okay, then what happens? This water are start to evaporate. Okay, means water is converted into the steam, means liquid is converted into the vapor or a gas. Same way opposite thing is possible. We put the water in a refrigerators and water is converted into the ice, means liquid is converted into the solids. Okay, so they are called as the various states of conversions. Okay, so various states of the any substance. Okay, so what are the various states of the substance is that? Okay, so there is a total 6 possibilities there. Okay, that is a liquid to gas conversion is there. Okay, means we have the water and we convert into the steam. Okay, then it is called as the evaporation process. Okay, it is called as the evaporation process. So we take the example, we have the water in the one bowls and put on the gas stove and it start to convert into steam. This is called as the evaporation process. Okay, opposite to that is also possible, that the steam is converted into the liquid, then it is called as the condensation process. Okay, means here you see this is the gas is there, this is a liquid is there, means when the liquid to gas conversion is there, gas or a vapor, it is called as the evaporation. When gas to liquid is there, then it is called as the condensation. Okay, so that is a two processes there, means when the liquid is converted into the vapor, it is called evaporations. When the gas or a vapor is converted into liquid, it is called as the condensations. Okay, same way this liquid is converted into the solid, means water is converted into the ice, it is called as the freezing process. Okay, so when liquid is converted into the solid, it is called as the freezing process. When this solid is converted into the liquid, it is called as the melting process. Means when the ice is converted into the water, it is called as the melting process, because they are melt and convert into this liquid. Okay, and the another two process is the direct gas to solid or a solid to gas, means in between liquid state are not coming. Okay, so when this any solid is directly converted into the gas, it is called as the sublimations. Okay, so that is a dry ice is there, means solid CO2 is there. Okay, so solid CO2 is directly converted into the gas, they are not come into these liquid states, it is called as the sublimation process. Okay, and another, when this gas is directly converted into the solid, means gas are not come in a liquid state, gas is directly converted into the solid state, then it is called as the depositions. Okay, so that is a different 6 processes possible: evaporation, condensation, freezings, melting, sublimations and depositions. Now we are studying the various 4 temperatures, okay, relevant to this process. Okay, so first is the melting point. So here you see when the melting is coming, when the solid is converted into the liquid. Okay, so melting point is the one temperature at which the solid is converted into the liquid when the heat is supplied. Means suppose this ice is there and the ice we supply this heat energy, and one temperature is come, at that temperatures the ice is start to convert into this liquid, it is called as the melting points. Another is the boiling points. Okay, boiling means it is the temperature at which the liquid is converted into the vapor when heat is supplied. So here liquid is there, okay, in this glass, and we supply this heat energy to this liquid, and liquid is start to convert into this vapor. Okay, then it is called as the boiling point. So generally we know that what is the boiling point of the water, it is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, same way that is a melting point. So freezing points and melting points are generally same for the water, they are 0 degrees centigrade, they are converted in ice, or from 0 degrees centigrade they are convert from ice to waters. Another is the critical points. It is the temperatures and the pressures. Okay, earlier in a melting points and boiling point we only mentioned it is the temperatures. Okay, Now in critical point what we mentions, it is the temperature and pressure both, okay, above which only one phase is existing and it is the vapor. Okay, means we says that the critical temperature is there, means above these critical temperatures that is only one phase is possible, it is only vapor phase. Okay, suppose we that the critical pressure of this substance is this much and above that only one phase is possible, it is the vapor. Means above this critical temperature and pressures, that is a no liquid and solid is possible, only vapor is possible, it is called as the critical points. And last one is the triple points. Okay, from the name we can understand they are available in the three phases, either liquid, gas or a solid, it is called as the triple points. So triple point of a substance refers to the state at which substance can coexist in solid, liquid and gaseous phase in equilibrium. Means they are available in all the three stages, that is solid, liquids and gaseous. For water, triple point is 0.010 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, ice, water and the steam can coexist in equilibriums. Okay, means at the water temperature is suppose 0.010 degrees centigrade. At that temperatures, they are possible to available in all the three stages, that is ice, water as well as in a steams. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the BME, EME or other subject of this mechanical engineering. For BME and EME, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.